like the holes on the chair spindles and the holes on the frame. It was Woodubend to the rescue, and I've made a good few videos on Woodubend, and it's no secret how much I love this bendable wood. I keep all the little bits and pieces of Woodubend because they not only hide imperfections, but they make everything look beautiful. Woodubend appliques are bendable once they're heated. You can stain them, you can paint them, you can cut them, you can shape them and mold them to whatever you're gluing them on. They're really remarkable what you can do with these with Woodubend. And I'll leave the link in the description down below. I'll also leave a card up above so you can see how to apply these Woodubend appliques as well. Aren't these sweet floral roses super sweet? And look how perfectly they disguise the hole.